Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove collection in Payhip Store Builder. In this walkthrough, we'll remove a collection section from your Payhip storefront using the built-in Store Builder. You'll be working directly in your dashboard, so make sure you're signed in and ready to make changes to your store's layout. Start by going to your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for the main navigation. There you'll see an option labeled Store. This is where you manage your storefront's appearance and content, including sections like featured products and collections. Click Store to open your store management area. On this page, you'll find the control that takes you into the visual editor. Select Launch Your Store Builder. This opens the Store Builder, where you can see a live preview of your page and a set of editing tools. The builder is organized into sections stacked on the page, each with its own controls for editing, moving, duplicating, or removing. Locate the collection section you want to remove. As you hover over a section in the builder, you'll notice a small toolbar appearing near it. On that toolbar, look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called More Options. This icon expands a short menu of actions specific to that section. Click the three-dot icon to open the menu, then choose Delete Section. This command targets only the selected section in the page layout. It does not delete your products or the collection itself from your account. It simply removes that visual block from the page you're editing, which is often what you want when reorganizing your storefront. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you intend to remove the section. When you're confident you've selected the correct collection block, click Yes, Delete. The section will immediately disappear from the Builder preview, allowing you to see how the page looks without it. If you're managing multiple pages or templates, repeat the same steps on each page where the collection section appears. That's all it takes. You accessed your dashboard, navigated to Store, launched the Store Builder, opened the three-dot menu on the collection section, selected Delete Section, and confirmed with Yes, Delete. This simple, focused process helps you keep your storefront clean and relevant, highlighting only the content you want visitors to see. Take a moment to review your updated layout in the Builder to ensure spacing and flow still feel right, then continue customizing other sections as needed.